Hi, good day, everyone. As we run down now to the end of the financial year, I know there's been a fair amount of activity happening around compliance issues and refocus on trusts, especially now with the UBO, the extensive reporting requirements from a SARS perspective. And the question is often asked, is my trust still a viable estate planning vehicle? So in this session, which will be aired on the 25th of November from 3 to 5, we'll have a look at the first starting off and looking at the conventional trust as such, whether at the end of the day, given all of the ongoing compliance requirements and the dry taxes in the form of the Section 7Cs, is the cost of running a trust still a viable option? Then we'll have a look at the limitations of conventional trusts and testamentary trusts. And then the question after that is, well, what if not a trust, what else? So we'll explore the opportunity of family investment entities. I won't touch on business trusts, although from a concept point of view, they not necessarily required from or used from an estate planning perspective. We'll look at the offshore and local asset protection vehicles, and then donations and inter-reverse transfers. This will basically, I want to say, culminate in integrating estate planning with tax efficiency, but more importantly, the succession planning from one generation to the other. I think quite important then would be having a look at the roles of fiduciaries, trustees, and the compliance officers, specifically the UBO, the FIC, and now more recently the POPIA Act requirements. We'll work through a case study just demonstrating the options that are available. So what is the learning outcome? By the end of the session, the idea would be that the attendees will be able to identify and evaluate alternative estate planning strategies, understand the compliance and risk considerations, both from a fiduciary perspective and or from a tax perspective, and should then be able to line or prepare a structured trust plan, an estate plan that aligns both with the local regulations and then obviously the client's goals. So we look forward to you joining and attending on the 25th of November from 3 to 5, with the session being Alternative Estate Planning Vehicles and Strategies. Thank you.